Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to fix the swipe reply option on Instagram. This video will be a fast and easy one, so make sure to watch until the end. And also, make sure that you like this video for more helpful tech content. So, you're facing the swipe reply option bug on Instagram. Now, I'm gonna help you fix it. So the first step is going to the App Store, and then going to this search icon, searching for Instagram, and as you can see, it says open. If it says open, then skip this part. If it doesn't and it says update, then it's probably outdated, so you're gonna have to click on update to update it. And once you're done, try checking if it worked. If it doesn't work, or if it's already updated and it still doesn't work, try the best method I have for you. Just go back to home screen, go to Instagram, but don't open it. Hold your Instagram, and then tap on remove app. Once you remove it, try downloading it again, and then logging in, and I'm sure it will work fine. It's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.